What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30 every morning.
Do you make your bed after waking up?
Yes, I always make my bed first.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I prefer coffee. It wakes me up.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check messages and emails quickly.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
What time do you take a shower?
Around 7 o'clock.
How long do you take to get ready?
Maybe 30 minutes.
What time do you leave home?
I leave around 8:15.
Do you go to work or study?
I go to work on weekdays.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus every day.
How long does it take you to get there?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Yes, I listen to English songs.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
How many hours do you work?
Around 8 hours a day.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, usually around 1 o'clock.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, or sometimes noodles.
Do you eat with friends or alone?
Mostly with friends at the office.
Do you drink tea after lunch?
Yes, I love a cup of tea in the afternoon.
What time do you finish work?
I finish around 5:30 p.m.
Do you go home straight after work?
Usually yes, but sometimes I go shopping.
How do you relax after work?
I like to listen to music or read a book.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch news or dramas.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends. It's funny.
Do you cook dinner yourself?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you usually cook?
Simple food like rice and chicken.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, we eat together every night.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Sometimes fruit or ice cream.
What do you do after dinner?
I clean the kitchen and relax.
Do you use your phone at night?
Yes, I scroll through social media.
How long do you use it?
Maybe 30 minutes before bed.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, a few pages every night.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly romance or motivation.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
Do you sleep early on weekends?
No, I sleep a bit late then.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 7 to 8 hours.
Do you dream often?
Yes, sometimes funny dreams.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 9, I sleep more.
Do you clean your room every day?
Not every day, but I keep it tidy.
Do you like doing laundry?
Not really, but I have to.
How often do you wash clothes?
Twice a week.
Do you iron your clothes?
Only when I go to the office.
Do you go out in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Do you use public transport often?
Yes, it's easy and cheap.
Do you like cooking breakfast?
Yes, it makes my morning happy.
Do you drink enough water every day?
I try to drink at least 8 glasses.